when we have something na nangyayari, we really have difficulties, di ba, with how we relate with our friends. Next, how we make decisions. Pagpagod, stressed, sometimes you can't even think kung anong kakainin ko. Di ba? Ang hirap mag-isip. Anong kakainin ko for lunch? Anong orderin ko? Di ba? Ang hirap. So mental health is really as important as our physical health. Diba? When you say physical, ano ba yung physical health? It is our body, yung pangangatawan natin, diba, na physical, how we are, wala tayong sakit, diba? Kapag may sakit tayo, look for a doctor. Pag may lagnat, diba? Ubos-sipon, diba? We see a doctor. So parang pareho din, if we feel emotionally sick or overwhelmed, kailangan nating bigyan nyo ng pansin, diba? Bigyan ng tuon, because it really deserves attention, no? So, okay, what is good mental health? Ayan. Good mental health does not mean na masaya tayo lagi, no? It doesn't mean that we should always be happy. Next slide, please. Good mental health, it means that kaya natin to handle problems. Good mental health means asking for help, no? We know that we need it. So we can, we know that we need it, then we'll ask for help. And good mental health is also, paano ba tayo magre-recover? Paano natin malalagpasan yung stress natin sa buhay? Just a few data, next slide, sabi ng, alam niyo yung WHO, really, WHO says about 1 in 6 adolescents among your age really have a mental health condition. So we're talking about sa buong mundo. Locally, in our country, madami. No? Actually, there's a study recently. We always go to this resource, the Young Adult Fertility and Sexuality Study by UP Diliman. You can look for it in the internet. It surveyed teens. Ang isa sa survey questions was about mental health. So from 2019 or 2013 up to 2021, umakyat talaga yung depression. No, you notice how it doubled. So that means that many young people like you are really going through a lot. No, hindi lang kayo. And that's why support is very important. But so it really is something that is very, very common, no? That means that we really need to give you support.